Just doing this quick video just to show you this is working, because we're very aware that if you're picking up by courier we can't demonstrate it before you come. So let's just walk you through very quickly the different parts of it. First of all, you've got the pressure gauge here, which you can see just there. At the moment it's pointing to about 70, depending on how hard the wood is, depends on how far you want that to move. To alter it, this is the new air control valve. You pull that up and then you can turn it one way or another. As you can see, that's now going up. Or if you turn it the other way, you can see it going down again. Okay, so when it's about where you want it, you just press it down again. That just locks it at that particular pressure. Then you've got your movable arms with your two different stops for the depths of where the wedges go. That then clamps this into place. And finally, you've got the wedge carrier just here, of which you've got a couple of others packed up with it for different size wedges. And this is the actual, I'm not sure what you call it, clamp that goes on. Down here on the floor you've got your foot pedal, which is a two-stage foot pedal. So if you press it halfway down, as I'll show you in a second, this clamp will come in, this clamp will come down on top of the moulding and hold it. So if you just watch that now, I'm just pressing it halfway down, there you go. You saw that move in, this move down. So we'll just do that once more so you can see it happen. When I go halfway down on the pedal, very slowly halfway down, that clamp comes in, this clamp comes down. If I press further down on the pedal, then the wedges are shot up. Okay, so let's take two pieces of moulding. We'll pop those on there. Oh, actually we'll do it with this one first of all to show you. What we would do is we would set this up so you can see the side of the moulding and you can see where the V nails will come through. So we'll set that up. You'd set the stop to get that in the right place and then pull it forward for the forward stop. Set that stop. Okay, and now you're ready to go. Okay, so we'll do that one first. So hold that there, clamp it up nice and tight, put the other moulding in place, holding it very, very carefully. Got to get that nicely lined up first of all. You move this in until it's almost touching, it's in the hole closest to it. Again, you've got instructions in the file that we're sending with it. Okay, this needs to be adjusted so it's round about a couple of fingers worth off the moulding. So we'll just go down just a tiny bit on that. Sorry, there you go, it's a bit stiff actually, we haven't used it for a while. So roughly about 2 fingers off. Okay, that's about right, nice and tight. One of the things you do have to do on this is make sure everything is very tight. Okay, so holding them together so the top edge goes in, halfway down, then all the way down to fix. Okay, and you can see your first wedge. Okay, you get the next ones in now. Already done that one. Put it in, hold it very, very tightly together, like that. Okay, good. Down, wedge in. Round to the next one, hold it in nice and tight. Down, wedge, last one. Get that nice and tight together, like that, and with that. Okay, just want to do the inside wedges now, so we'll pull that, move the carrier, jump that back up again, readjust that, and then we can just very quickly just run around them. And there we are. You can see all the wedges all the way around the outside. Okay, quite nicely tidied up. I've done it very, very quickly, and of course I haven't put any glue or anything into it as you would do normally. So there we are, that's about it. The only other thing to say, just so you can see it, these screws that we've left in around the edges, they connect obviously to the brackets on the table that you can see. So that just slots over the top. And then the final thing is the airline. It's got a straightforward standard airline connector. So you just pull that off. It's just got an airline nipple like that, and on the end of your airline you'll have one of those, and it just presses on and away you go. Okay, so there we are. All in working order, all looking good. Hope it reaches you nice and safely. Thank you. Okay.